National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, east central Kanawha County in central West Virginia, southern Clay County in north central West Virginia, northwestern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coal Fork, or 10 miles east of Charleston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay, Finch, Pratt, Bickmore, Cedar Grove, Glasgow, Swiss, Indore, Marmot, Glen, Bentry, Chesapeake, Bell, Kessler's Cross Lanes, Drennan, East Bank, Coal Fork, Pond Gap, Handley, and Smithers. This includes the following highways: West Virginia Turnpike between mile markers 85 and 90. Route 19 near mile marker 32.